Drones have been one of the most exciting technological innovations of recent years, and they continue to evolve rapidly. Initially used for military purposes, drones have become increasingly popular in the photography and video shooting sectors, but their applications go much further. Today, drones can be used for parcel delivery, agricultural crop monitoring, infrastructure inspection, and much more. But what do drones have in store for us in the future? With the spread of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and 5G connectivity, drones will become increasingly intelligent and capable of operating autonomously. We will be able to use them for the inspection of roofs and building facades, for the collection of environmental data, for emergency rescue, and much more. Furthermore, drones are becoming smaller and more portable, making them accessible to more and more people. This means that in the future we will be able to use drones for many everyday activities, such as aerial photography for our travels or surveillance of our property. In summary, drones are a rapidly evolving technology that is changing our lives and offering us many exciting opportunities for the future. We are only at the beginning of a new era that will bring us extraordinary developments and allow us to do things that were unthinkable until recently.